We do a tube each?
Tube each.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like this is just so dangerous, honey.
Yeah. You can take someone's eye out.
Hopefully not mine. I should have worn the safety glasses. What are these?
They're the mini foods.
What series?
Series 1? Series 2.
Series 2? These are the Mini Brands Series 2 Foodies. Ah. So you get 5 things each. I think this has a sticker. What's in here? I got a little pretzel.
The third sushi platter.
There's so much sushi now. Let's put them in here, honey. Because my desk is a friggin' mess again. Ribs. Oh, I got a Chinese takeaway.
Cute.
PF Chang's.
I got Cinnabon.
Oh. Oh, did I break something? No.
No.
There's 2 things in here. I got a taco, 2 tacos.
Nice.
Do you usually get 2 tacos? Do you usually get 2 in there?
I've had the tacos before. I think I only got 1 in it last time.
Well, I got 2 in mine. I'm so lucky. A big dinner box. Wow. This is so cool. So it's got pizza and breadsticks, and it has little chicken bites on there too. Delicious.
Good one.
What did I get? I got Cinnabon. I don't know what this is though. To be honest, it does look like mac and cheese. Doesn't it?
Let's have a look.
I got another drink. Oh, you got money.
I got money. And more Pizza Hut. This is the Pizza Hut ball.
More wings. Buffalo wings.
Aren't we going to go to the mill markets tomorrow, maybe?
Yeah, we can get an Action Man, and then I can go look at the Barbie furniture again. And I want to get that jacket, but I'm on a no-buy, honey.
Oh, yeah.
It's not working.
I thought it was no buy for makeup.
Yeah, that's true. I'm trying to be anti-consumerism.
Yeah.
Oh! Hey, how did I open that one up so easy is the question. Oh, I got Minute Maid Fruit Punch. We don't have that.
We don't.
What else? Oh, I got more fruit lollies. Oh my gosh, Nick, you love these. Your grandma got you these for Christmas one time. The pirouette, the little sticks, the little wafer sticks with the chocolate filling.
Yeah, I
Should we get some of those for Christmas?
I think that sounds good. R.I.P. Grandma.
Oh, Grandma would have loved Mini Brands.
Chicken masala.
This looks so good. That's a Campbell's skillet. It's like a little recipe packet.
And I got Fanta.
I got money. Can I look at your Fanta bottle? Wow. So realistic. I got another Sprite, so you can have a Sprite too now, honey.
Nice.
Once you come into my house. I got Campbell's chunky beef with vegetable soup. That's a staple.
I've got more Frisk gum.
Oh. Moving on to ball.
I'm still on my second one. I've still got 2 more packets.
I know, I'm just so excited.
What have we got? We got SpaghettiOs.
Wow. We've had so much like good variety, haven't we?
Yeah.
In our balls.
And last one, we've got UPS.
Oh my god!
There's something in it.
Oh, honey, this is like the Amazon box you got me.
Yeah.
Because Nick got me an Amazon box. So now I get mail. It's even got a little label on it. I got another burger, which means you get a burger, honey.
Great. Is that White Castle?
Yeah, it is. Onion rings.
Oh, I think it's a double up.
Well, you will not be having onion rings because you don't like onion rings, honey. And I got another Pizza Hut thing. These are a little tricky for me.
They are. I got Pizza Hut too.
What did I drop? Oh, I got a pepperoni. We have pepperoni, don't we, honey?
Yeah. And I got more money.
There you go. This is when life imitates art, honey.
And I got more wings.
Oh. Oh. Oh, I got money. And I got another triple treat box.
Jeez, Pizza Hut has been a repeat offender in these balls.
And I've got another row of cinnamon swirls.
And
Oh, you got a pepperoni.
pizza. We're going to have a pizza party.
We could have a pizza party. That's actually very fun.
With your office setting.
A pizza. So millennials. It's going to be like millennial Barbie.
Oh my god, and I got more pizza. It's a bacon pizza.
Wow. I don't know if we have that. All right, this is the last one, but this is series 3. The purple ones are series 3, are they, honey?
Oh, they might be.
Well, this one says series 3. The purple ones are series 3. So actually it's a mix, but actually it does say that on here, doesn't it? It's got purple and pink. But that was not apparent to me. So no wonder why some of these are like really good.
And I got more Cinnabon.
Wow, we're going to have a Cinnabon party at my office. Last ball. Oh, there's our neighbour. But you have a doctor's appointment, so...
Oh, yeah, okay. 20 minutes.
Yeah, I know you have time. You just don't have time to talk to the neighbour, honey.
Yes.
You only have time for one activity, and that is unwrapping balls, said Dean. How am I better? I suppose I got a knife, actually. Oh, this is delicious. I got cornflakes.
Nice.
They're going to look so good in my kitchen.
And...
Oh, we've got one of those.
hot glue gun again.
Another hot glue gun. But you know what I do to hot glue guns, honey?
Yeah, you snap them.
So I have 2 hot glue guns as well. Oh no, I got a magazine. You know that's the dud.
I've got like a bonus one. So,
Oh,
there's little instructions on it. Because... Uh-oh.
You're losing the pieces.
Yeah. It's the Coca-Cola that's at the top of it. And... oh, hold on. Yeah.
Like this. It's a pouring one. And is that a Coca-Cola Zero?
Yeah.
That's a Coca-Cola Zero Sugar. So that is allowed in the Barbie house. Seeing as I don't know anyone anymore who only likes normal Coke. I got more teriyaki beef.
I got more money. She's going to have a big stack of money on her desk.
Yeah.
And another Sprite.
Oh, this is new, honey. I got Minute Maid orange juice. I don't have a cup. Hello, Billy.
Oh, I get another little wafer thingy.
Yeah. This is my last one too, honey. Did we get the same thing? No.
Milano dark chocolate.
I got goldfish cheddar. So what is yours, honey? It's a dark chocolate cookie. So you've got cookies and I've got little cheesy crackers.
Nice.
They are going to look so good on my shelf when you 3D print my kitchen.
Yeah.
Can you just pass me the box?
Yeah.
Because there is some rubbish. Obviously there's all of Nick's rubbish in here and a cord. But we still have these ones to open, which are all the fashion ones, which I'm so excited because for my Barbie to have lots of new pairs of shoes.
Yeah.
So we'll have to open those as well.
When I get back.
When you get back from your doctor's appointment. Thanks, honey. I'm so excited. I can't wait to kit out my kitchen.